good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will talk about operation and maintenance of water distribution system. Actually, the water is the most important thing in the life. A dependable supply and clean and safe water is the most critical service of Jordan Water Company, مياه هنا. Jordan has made great steps in the past to addressing inequalities of service provision. Unfortunately, the expanding of service and the sudden increase in the population because of the surrounding wars and migrations of the people that has increased level of leakage and non-revenue water and maintenance backlogs and problem with the service provision. What is operation and maintenance? The purpose of water distribution system is to provide safe water for the users. Operation and maintenance are those activities needed for this purpose. But the difference between operation and maintenance, operation that include activities required to deliver the service, but maintenance include activities to make the system in the good way, or to keep the system in the good way. System integrity. There's 3 types of system integrity, and they are essential to keep the system in good way. First one is the physical integrity. Means that for example, the pipes, the network, that keep the system and barriers between the water and the external threats for the water. Hydraulic integrities, it means the system is able to provide and deliver the water for the people on the required and accurate pressure for the high places, for example. Water quality, that means we should provide a safe water for all the users. This figure showing the relation between the 3 integrities, physical and water quality and hydraulic integrity. They are essential for each other, as you see here. Water distribution network. Water distribution systems are difficult to analyze due to there is a complex and many components on the system. For example, it's important to measure flow and pressure in the network to monitor its behavior. And if there is any problem suddenly happen, we can fix it quickly. Network hydraulic. Water distribution systems are mostly supplied from water reservoirs and on the high levels or water towers. And we supply, in our company, we supply the water for the users or for the subscribers from the high levels above their areas, like hills and mountains. We build the reservoir there and we provide water by gravity. This figure showing the reservoir and the water towers. We found in our calculation in our company that there is, as per study, that the highest demand is the lowest pressure on the system. The highest demand here, we found it between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m., which means the lowest pressure on the system. Design requirements. The pipe network has to be designed and consider many aspects should be considered in the system. multiple sources, we should provide the area or the town from multiple sources. If one source has stopped, the other will give the water and the service for the people. Water demand pattern and growth. We should consider that this area, for example, this town will increase, the population will increase rapidly. So we will make our study for 10 or 20 years in the future. Loop pipe layout. Actually, loop pipe layout, it means that we should provide the water from many sources like a loop. There's two kinds of water supplying areas. For example, tree, like a tree, we give water through line and give it right and left. And there is looped from many sources. It's better than a tree pipe layout. Maximum allowable pressure. Maximum allowable pressure, we should consider the highest point in the system or highest point on the zone. And we should design our network as per the highest point to deliver the service for the highest point on the zone. Minimum pressure on the system, minimum pipe diameter. Minimum pipe diameter, that means, for example, if there's a lot of people in the area, we should design our network with the highest pipe diameter to compensate the flow going for that area. The pipe class, it's related for the pipe strength and what the pipe can handle pressure, highest pressure. Implement district metering area. In our capital, Amman, we have 45 zones. These 45 zones have around 45 reservoirs. Each zone is a district meter area. District meter area, every zone have a meter, water meter or flow meter, which calculate what is the quantity supplied for this area and what is the pressure supplied for this area. Use different pipe materials or colors. We should, once sometimes when there is excavation happen on the site, you should know this water is a primary system or secondary system or tertiary system. So because sometimes there was problems, our maintenance team, without knowledge, they connect on the secondary or the primary network, which is wrong and prohibited. And so we have to make different colors for the pipes in the system. Reservoirs, as-built drawing and GIS. We should, once we do network, the as-built drawing is very helpful in the site. And we have a very good GIS department that makes our life easy once we do maintenance and operation and to fix the problem quickly. Maintenance. The following maintenance functions are important in water distribution system. Adequate quantities of network component should be held in the stores for repairs and replacement. We should know our material on our store, what we have fittings, what we have pipes. It makes the things more easy. Regular maintenance is important to ensure the system and the function of the system is going in good way. The cost of maintaining pipe should be analyzed and the pipe replaced or refurbished when outcome at the end of their economic service life. Conclusion, proper operation and maintenance should be always happening, because if we neglect the operation and maintenance for the pipe network, the pipe or the system will decline in the future and cannot provide the service required for the people, which make a big and huge problem. Thank you.